Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to search Tinder profiles by name. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser on your mobile device. This works with any browser you have installed, whether that's Chrome, Safari, or any other option you prefer. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top of your screen and click on it to activate it. This is where you'll enter your search query to find specific Tinder profiles. Now, here's the key part. In the search bar, type site:tinder.com, followed by the person's name you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for someone named Anna, you would type site:tinder.com at Anna. This specific search format tells the search engine to look exclusively within Tinder's website for profiles matching that name, which significantly narrows down your results and makes the search more accurate. After you've entered your search query, hit enter or tap the search button. The search engine will now process your request and begin scanning through Tinder's public profiles. Give it a moment to load all the relevant results. Once the results appear on your screen, you'll see a list of potential matches based on the name you entered. These results will show various Tinder profiles that match or are similar to the name you searched for. Take a moment to browse through the listings to identify the person you're specifically looking for. When you've found the profile that matches who you're searching for, simply click on the link in the results. This will take you directly to that person's Tinder profile page where you can view their information. And that's it. You've successfully searched for a specific Tinder profile by name using your browser's search capabilities. This method is particularly useful when you know someone's name and want to find their profile without endlessly swiping through the app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.